L'Hospital's rule. What is L'Hospital's rule? It's basically the shortest and easiest method of finding limits of a functions that are of the type f of x upon g of x. There are two things that we need to check before applying L'Hospital's rule. First, the function on which limit needs to be applied must be of the type f of x upon g of x. Second, the limit of f of x upon g of x is of the form 0 upon 0 or infinity upon infinity. Then we can easily apply L'Hospital's rule. But what does this rule say and how do we apply it? According to this rule, if f of x and g of x are real valued functions such that limit of f of x as x approaches to a equals to 0 or infinity, and limit of g of x as x approaches to a equals to 0 or infinity, where both f of x and g of x are differentiable at x equals to a and both f dash x and g dash x are continuous at x equals to a. Then limit of f of x upon g of x as x approaches to a equals to limit of f dash x upon g dash x as x approaches to a equals to limit of f double dash x upon g double dash x as x approaches to a, and so on till intermediate form vanishes. This means that limit of f of x upon g of x as x approaches to a equals to 0 upon 0 or infinity upon infinity can be solved by differentiating both numerator and denominator separately till indeterminate form vanishes and then apply the limits x approaching a. Let's understand this rule with the help of an example. Suppose we have this limit. Clearly we can see that it is of the form 0 upon 0. So by applying L'Hospital's rule, we have a limit of sin x upon x as x approaches to 0 equals to derivative of sin x upon derivative of x as x approaches to 0 equals to limit of cos x upon 1 as x approaches to 0. Now applying the limits, we get the value as 1. So this is how we apply L'Hospital's rule.